Hello everyone, welcome to the Developers and Coders Club of NIT Agartala. Today we will discuss line to cashier problem. Little Basha went to the supermarket to get some groceries. He walked about the supermarket for a long time and got a basket full of products. Now he need to choose a cashier to pay for products. There are n cashiers at the exit from the supermarket. At the moment, the queue for the ith cashier already has ki people. The jth person standing in the queue to the ith cashier has mij items in the basket. Vaishya knows that the cashier needs 5 seconds to scan one item. After the cashier scans each item of some customer, he needs 15 seconds to take the customer's money and give him the change. Of course, Vaishya want to select the queue so he can leave the supermarket as soon as possible. Help him write a program that display the minimum number of seconds after which Vaishya can get to one of the cashier. Input first line contain integer n, the number of cases in the shop. The second line contain n separated integers k1, k2, kn, where ki is the number of people in the queue to the ith cashier. The ith of the next n line contains ki separate integer separated integers mi1, mi2, miki, the number of products the jth person in the queue for the ith cashier has. Print the single integer, the minimum number of seconds Vaishya need to get to the cashier. So now we will jump to the solution part, and clearly we can see here 4 number of windows are there, and each window, first window have one person, second window have 4 persons, third window 3 persons, and fourth window 2 persons are there. Now we will jump to the first window. In the first window, only single person is there and 100 products are there. So for scanning products, there are 100 multiplied by 5 means 500 seconds, plus after scanning all products, cashier take 15 seconds. So 515 seconds cashier will take. Now we will jump to the second window. Second window have 4 peoples, and first people have 1 product, second have 2, third have 2, and fourth have 3. So total number of products are there 8 product multiply by 5, plus 4 persons are there, each person consume 15 seconds. So 4 multiply by 15, so this is 100 second. Now third window, total product are 11 multiply by 5 plus 3 peoples, 3 multiply by 15, this is also 100 second. Now the last window, 7 plus 8 means 15 products multiply by 5 plus only 2 persons are there, so this is 2 into 15, so it will take 75 plus 30, this is 105 seconds. So clearly you can see 100 seconds and 100 seconds. Only two windows are there. Only two windows are there. Take a minimum time. So we will choose any and print the minimum time. So we will jump to the code part and take inputs and here we will store the sum of products for individual window and multiply by the product sum by 5 and peoples on that window multiply by 15 and we want minimum time, then minimum time equals to minimum of minimum time comma check time. So we will run this code and take input from here and paste it. So clearly you can see 100 seconds is the minimum time and here also see 100. Thank you.